In this specific video, you're going to learn how to use authority sites for better site rankings. Did you know that when you create a WordPress post or page, that if you link to a news site, Wikipedia, or some sort of authority site, then Google actually will look at your site and think, huh, they're actually relevant. They're providing useful information. Because normally if somebody wants good rankings, they're not going to link to another site unless they really have to or can provide a really good resource. Now, if you can implement this in each and every one of your posts, then you can actually position yourself whereas Google will see your site as more relevant. Now, on the user human side, you're also providing them with resources that you can use, but there are some tips that you need to follow whenever you're linking to a third-party site. Number one, make sure that it provides valuable information. And then make sure that the link that you're sending them to is related to your WordPress post. So there's some sort of consistency there. And make sure that this third-party website is not selling anything. Because if you're trying to help somebody, eventually perhaps sell something to somebody, depending on your intent, then if you send them to somewhere else and you're not getting any commission or anything like that, then you may want to avoid doing that. But in this case, we are primarily linking to authority sites, news sites, and so forth. So that should fit the criteria. So at the bottom of your post or your page, you might want to say something like, here are some free resources to improving your golf swing. So you can go to google.com and you can do a search for golf swing, and you can also either type in Wikipedia, and if you can find something like this, golf stroke mechanics, you can simply at the top here copy this here. It says golf stroke mechanics. So what you want to do is go to the post section here and link it here. So we're going to say golf swing mechanics. So you generally, as you can see here, we want to have the keyword of that site linked here. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert edit link. We're going to call this title golf swing mechanics. And we want to make sure that it opens in a brand new tab, because when somebody clicks on that link, you want them to go to a different page so that they still have your website in their browser. So now when Google comes to your site and goes to the site, they see it's relevant, they see the anchor text is relevant, and then that they see that it's linking to a high authority news site. It doesn't have to be Wikipedia, it could be other sites like any type of news site, any big authority site. It doesn't have to be a news site, it could be an authority site on golfing and so forth. But you want to include at least one or two resources. And if you can do this per post and per page, then you're definitely going to increase that search engine rank.